Hey there, are you a freelancer looking to organize your finances and save time at tax season? In this video, in this quick guide, I will show you how to use QuickBooks Online tailored just for freelancers like you. Now, start by signing into QuickBooks and choosing the simple start plan. You can go to the quickbooks.com or quickbooks.intuit.com where you can scroll down and you can find there is 4 plans available. So if you're a beginner or new or a freelancer, then simple start or essential is best for you. You can find lots of benefits from here that you can track your income and expenses. You can send unlimited customer invoice and quotes. You can connect your bank, track GST and VAT, the VAT, then insights and reports, progress invoicing, and up to 250 items in chart of account for one user plus your account. Also, you can find extra on the essentials like manage bills and payments. You can track employee time if you have an employee or run an agency as a freelancers. Also, you can add multi-currency. That is pretty essential for freelancers because freelancers actually work worldwide from home. So the multi-currency option is essential for the freelancer. So essential plan is good for you. So for 3 users plus your accountant. So you can select a plan and pay for it with your pay per takeout option. So once you have purchased it, then email it straight from QuickBooks or set it to send automatically each month if you are retainer. So once you have done it, you can go to find this type of interface, the dashboard. Once you have logged into it and you have set up and answer all the questions to personalize your dashboard, you can find that this here, like you can track your expenses from QuickBooks. So for that, you have to do is simply click on plus new button here, and where you can find suppliers, where you can find expense. Simply click on expense. Then you have to wait until it loads. Now enter the vendor, the amount. You have to add the pay here, the amount here, and the payment date, the payment method. You can find there's lots of payment method. You can add new payment method if you are using any online banking method. Then the reference number and the location. You can add any location where you will actually making these expenses. And then you can categorize it, like you can add the category like software or internet or any premium software or platform like Upwork. You're paying Upwork for points here. And also you can add the items here also if you want. So now you can even upload receipts or snap on photo with the mobile app. Now you can monitor income and taxes. Want to know how your freelance business is doing? So for that, you have to do is go to the dashboard, where at the left side menu section you can find reports. Simply click on reports. Now from here you can find standard reports, where you will be able to see all of your profit and losses, to see your net income from here. So you can scroll down and you can find different types of options, different types of report here that help you to calculate your profit and losses from here. Also, you can search for profit and loss. Here you can find profit and loss. You can click on it to see your view, to see your report from here that actually look like this. You can find your asset here. So how if you are going on loss or on your profit, you can find it. Once you have find your this and you want to save it or download it or export it on your Excel sheet or on your Google sheet, then you can save as. Simply click on save as. Then you can add the report name, you can add the month name of the profit and loss. Then you can simply click on save. Once you have saved it, it will save to the custom reports, where you will be able to download it or export it as an Excel file or CSV file by simply click on this arrow icon here. You can find export as PDF or export as Excel, or also you can export it as a CSV. So you can keep it for the further records. QuickBooks can also estimate your quarterly taxes so you don't get caught off guard. And that's how you use QuickBooks as a freelancer. It helps you stay organized, look professional, and be ready for tax time, all from one place. Thanks for watching. Till next time.